Here are some of the best healthy drinks for gut health, focusing on natural probiotics, prebiotics, and anti-inflammatory properties. 1. Kombucha, a fermented tea rich in probiotics that can help balance gut bacteria. Contains beneficial acids that support digestion. 2. Kefir, a fermented milk drink packed with probiotics and yeast to improve gut microbiome diversity. Available in dairy and non-dairy versions. 3. Bone broth, high in collagen and amino acids, like glutamine, which support gut lining health. Promotes a strong intestinal barrier. 4. Ginger tea, anti-inflammatory and aids in digestion. Helps reduce bloating and supports gut motility. 5. Aloe vera juice soothes the digestive tract and can help with constipation. Rich in vitamins, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Apple cider vinegar ACV drink, diluted ACV with water, supports healthy stomach acid levels for better digestion. Contains enzymes and promotes gut-friendly bacteria growth. 7. Herbal teas, e.g., peppermint, chamomile, fennel, aid digestion, reduce bloating, and calm the gut. Great for soothing irritation in the digestive tract. 8. Fermented vegetable juice, made from fermented veggies like sauerkraut or pickles. These juices are rich in probiotics. Helps balance gut flora naturally. 9. Green smoothies with prebiotic fiber, made with ingredients like spinach, bananas, and flax seeds. These smoothies provide prebiotics to nourish gut bacteria. Add yogurt or kefir for probiotics. 10. Water with lemon and chia seeds, hydrating and packed with fiber to support digestion. Helps cleanse the digestive system and keep things moving. Would you like any specific recipes or further details on these drinks? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.